Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning viewer, kindly comment, share, and watch the video again and again to understand the concept that is being shared on this particular video. It is important you engage in the comment section. If one or two things that is shared is not too clear to you, you can comment below. Then of course, we'll look into it and to see that another video or possible to explain the concept is discussed. Now, without wasting much of our time, now, before we delve into the topic of today, you'll see the Telegram community link. The link to join the Telegram community will be posted at the description of the video. Kindly check it and join the Telegram group. Okay, now in our discussion today, we're discussing about the concept of fresh and unfresh SNR levels. SNR levels is just a typical support and resistance level. This is a price level. This is a price level that has been identified as key levels, but that has not been yet tested since its formation. Like these two candles you are seeing here, you see a green candle followed by a red candle. So at the top here, at the very top here, what you see here is the formation of what we call resistance. So resistance is at this top. Now, how do we do that? You click. Now, let me click on this and drop this one here. So it is the closing of the first candle, which is a bullish candle, that I'm going to place that on. Now, everything around here now represents resistance. So everything around here represents a resistance. So resistance level is formed here. This is level that is called A level. This is A level, and this A level is fresh because since the formation of these two candles, price has not come, and we've put this line here to represent the SNR level. Of course, by the time we look into the chart, you will understand clearly what I'm talking about. Now, this level 10, because this level is just created, we have not seen price has not come to touch the level. So this level tend to be more powerful and reactive because it is fresh. And when price touches them for the first time, yes, any of the following can happen because they hold a very high potential. There can be a strong reversal from this point, or there can be a breakout. In case price wants to go further up, then what price we did is that when next candle comes here, which is going to be bullish candle, it will close above these levels. And when that happens, you know that price is not ready to go down anytime soon. Price still want to go further up. And of course, it is also a place, this particular zone is also a place for smart money institutions and big players. They often place a lot of orders at this particular point, which is still fresh level, at this fresh level. And of course, at this particular level also, at this particular level, we also see that the reaction at this fresh level is usually fast and sharp due to untouched liquidity. Anytime, that is why it is advisable for you as a trader, always, I say it again, always look to trade from fresh levels. When you trade from fresh levels, you'll be right most of the time. I didn't say all of the time, but you'll be right most of the time because two things can either happen. When price comes to this level, it could be that the candle that comes here reject this level and close below. And when that happens, it is a signal to you that price wants to go down. But if the candle that comes here is able to break above this zone, then the price wants to go further up. Then how do you identify these fresh levels? Now, just as we've looked at this, you just look for strong price movement that creates a clear support or resistance without immediate retest. Like this particular one, this SNR level is created and price has not come to touch it. Now, check if price approach the level for the first time after its formation. So the next thing when you have this, when price is coming to test this place, so you be on a lookout. Particularly if you are trading, if you're a day trader, you can watch for H4, SNR level created on H4 that is still fresh, or H1. So what are you looking out for? You are looking for the next candle to come, touch this and do some sort of rejection and close below it. When that happens, then you can go to a lower time frame, either M30 or M15, and begin to look for further confirmation to sell the market. And if it is the other way around, that the market is able to close above that strong zone, then you look for on a lower time frame, candle will definitely come to retest that level and go further up. Now, this is the fresh level. Now let's look at a level that is not fresh. Okay, this is a typical example of a level that is not fresh. Now this is a support level, and a support is created when a bullish candle follow immediately after bearish candle. Is opposite of the resistance. This is support level. Now when this support level was created, then we see that the following candle that comes happens to be a bullish candle, and this bullish candle, before they start going up, it was able to reject this level. You see it? Because this particular candle opened somewhere here, moved down, and the seller couldn't take the price lower. Then what happened? The buyer comes into the market and start pushing the price up, 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 up. In this case, what has happened here is what we call rejection. So this level automatically, because it has been touched by a wick. Yes, take note of that. The shadow or the wick of candle has touched it, then this level automatically has become unfresh. So, meaning that since this level is unfresh, now it means this level has been touched, has been tested, and of course, after price move away from here, this level can be tested again. When a level becomes unfresh and is being tested over and over again, there is likelihood of first breakout at that particular time. That is why when you are trading using the SNR level, Malaysian SNR, to guide your trading decision, then you must stick to fresh level, because most of the time, price travel from one fresh level to another fresh level. Let me say that again. Price travel tends to travel from one fresh level to another fresh level. So you want to be considering trading from a fresh level. Now, why on fresh SNR level becomes weak? Why is it that sometimes this level becomes weak? It's just because, number one, liquidity at that level get absorbed over time. As price comes to touch that level, whatever stop losses that have been placed is being absorbed over time. And smart money may manipulate price to cause a fake breakout and trap retail trader, and that is why you have to be careful. So, and every time this level is tested, the effectiveness of the level, since order get filled, the effectiveness reduces. The ability of that level to give you your desired result gets reduced over time as price keep touching it. The unfresh level, let me quickly say this. When a level has been tested like 3 times plus, yes, there's high probability that that level will be broken. And if price is moving towards that level with a strong momentum, it may not respect the level. Yes, because the level in the first place, the level is no longer a fresh level. So you have to watch out for. And how do you know that the price is moving with strong momentum? You will see candle that barely have no wick. Yes, the candle will be so big, giant candle that barely have no wicks. So most of the time on fresh SNR level can be a big trap for you as a trader. And that is why you want to ensure that you stick to what? Fresh levels. Okay, let's go to the chart and let's see what we've been talking about. So don't forget that okay, let me move to gold. Of course, this thing work all across all instruments you can think of. Now, this is SNR level. This particular one, you see a bull candle followed by a bear candle. This is SNR level. So Let's mark it. Let's match it. Yes, you see, when this level was created, this is H4. Then price came to touch it. When price touched it, what happened? The price rejected that zone. And what happened thereafter? You see, price goes down. So that is effectiveness of what we're saying. When SNR level is still fresh, price tend to respect it, and not all the time, but most of the time, price tend to respect it. Now, this level now, which was fresh before, by the action of this candle that came and weak it, this fresh level is weaked by this candle, then this level has become what? Unfresh. Now, this is a fresh level. This is another level. This is still a fresh level. This is still a fresh level. It's still a fresh level. Yeah. So if you extend it here, if we extend it here, we see price came, you know, struggle, the buyer pushed the price over, then the seller pushed the price down. Then by the action of this, candle, this level became what? It becomes unfresh. Now, what happened? The next candle that comes after is a bullish candle. So, and that bullish candle touch it and close above it with body. Then this level now has become what? Has become fresh again. So, it simply means that a level that is fresh can become unfresh and can also become fresh again if another candle touches it with body and not the wick. So these are the resistance level. So if you remember, while I was explaining the concept of fresh and unfresh, I make mention of A level. Now, if I turn this to line chart, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Yes, can you see this? This shape, what does it look like? It looks like capital A shape. And likewise, this also look like capital A shape. So a resistance in Malaysian SNR is a typical example of, if you turn to line chart, and as a matter of fact, if you want to trade using Malaysian SNR, you must be able to know that over time you need to know when you switch to line chart. So be able to read the chart using the line chart. Okay, so let's look at the support level. Yes, the support level, this is a support level. This level is created, you see. Now, I said the first candle, our concern is the first candle, not the second candle. Where the first candle do close, of course, this is support, a bear candle followed by a bullish candle. So, but if you are not too sure, you can turn to line chart to see, because line chart is going to give you, look at this. Yes, look at this particular level, you see. And for the support level is V level. This is V level. So if you turn it, yes, you can see it take note of only the closing of the bear candle. You can see. And what happened thereafter? Price came, retest this particular zone level, retested this level, rejected it, tested it, rejected it, because you can see with a wick. And what happened? Price moved to the upside. So this level became unfresh by the action of this. This level is still unfresh. But when you have a new candle, you can look at this level also. This is under V level. This is a V level. So this level weakened by this. You see, when this level is rejected, what happened? You see price start going to the upper side. Start going up and up. So you need to take note of that. So look at this. This is A level. Let's turn to line chart. Yeah, this is A level. When this A level was created, price came, rejected it, and it became what? It became some fresh. Now, by the action of this candle, this bull candle touches with body and close above it, it became fresh. Now that a new candle again, another bullish candle was able to touch it with wick, this level has become what? Unfresh again. So this is a concept of fresh and unfresh. Now, it is important as a trader trading using Malaysian SNR, it is important you put that into consideration, that most of the time you want to concentrate on fresh levels. Look at a typical example of what I said. This level was created, then price came, touched the level, and Where did price go to? Price go to another fresh level. This is a fresh level. You get that? This is fresh support. This is fresh resistance level that was created. Price rejected it. And where did price came? Price came to what? The support level. That is why we said price travel from fresh level to another fresh level. Is either traveling from fresh support to fresh resistance, or is coming from fresh resistance to fresh support. I believe this concept is clear. So if you have any question regarding this concept of fresh and unfresh, kindly leave a comment below the video. And of course, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and also don't forget to join the community. So community of traders, join the channel and be part of what is going on there.